So first I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 and applying it all over my eyelids. This is going to work as a primer for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the palette called Ring the Alarm by Jaclyn Hill. Taking the shade Rush and applying that in my crease as a transition shade. Okay, wow. I just love how pigmented this palette actually is. Just look at how effortlessly that colour blends. So I'm going to be using the colour Framed and deepening up my crease a lot more. This just gives it a lot more definition. So here I just switched back to the previous brush that I was using. This is to blend this colour out a lot more easily. Next, carve out half a cut crease with any type of concealer or foundation that you like. So next I'm going to be taking the shade called On Camera and applying it on my cut crease with my finger. Applying glittery shades with your finger is a lot more better. I mean, as you can see, it just glides on a lot more smoothly. So I'm going to go back in with the shade Framed and apply it on the outer edge of my eyes. This will give me more of a cat eye look. And guys, if you really want that sharp cat eye look, this part is really crucial. Make sure you take a very sharp concealer brush and clean up all the edges. As you can see, the sharper the line is, the more defined your cat eye will look. So now I'm going to be taking the Revolution highlighter in Golden Lights and applying it into my inner corners and my brow bone. This is by far the best highlighter I have ever used, and it's also very affordable. Okay guys, just look how beautiful these lashes are. Oh my gosh, I just can't. The name of these lashes and all the products I've used so far will definitely be in the description box below. So taking the shades Framed and Rush, I'm going to be smudging them underneath my eyes just to give it more of a smoky look. So now I'm going to be using my Revolution Stick Foundation, the shade F10, and applying it all over my face. Guys, this has become my favourite foundation. Honestly, it glides on so nicely and just gives you a flawless finish. After I'm done with my foundation, I'm going back in with my concealer and I'm going to be highlighting my face. Creating triangles under your eyes with your concealer will make them appear more brighter and more lifted. And here I prefer to use my finger to burn my concealer just to not ruin my eyeshadow. So here I'm taking the W7 banana powder and just baking in the areas where I have concealed. And guys, if you struggle with your smile marks creasing whenever you apply foundation and concealer, I definitely recommend baking around your mouth. This will definitely stop it from creasing. So now I'm just going to bronze up my face in the usual areas. And when blending your bronzer in, please make sure you take your time, because if you do not, it's just going to look really harsh and muddy, and it's just going to ruin your whole look altogether. And now I'm just going to dust off my bake with this big fat fluffy brush. It's not only me who finds it satisfying when brushing their bake off, right? And guys, as you can see, it just looks so much more flawless after you bake. So now I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. I'm going to outline my lips with a lip pencil that I bought from Primark, and it's in the shade Toffee. So I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Karen and applying that all over my lips. Using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, I'm going to spray my face just to set all my makeup. And that, guys, is the finishing look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications for more. Thank you for watching.